welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well and safe. So in today's video, I'm going to review the lip stains from the Premium Stains, and I did a review on their powdery matte lip stains. These are powdery matte lip stains, and these are the lip stains that look like the Colorette lip stains. It's like a powdery matte. It's not like a typical lip stain. These powdery mattes look like this. They come in this packaging exactly the same as their lip and cheek stain. Their lip and cheek stains have exactly the same packaging as their powdery matte lip stains, and they don't even say lip and cheek stain here. I only have two shades from this brand, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I have two shades. I have the shade Emmy and Ina. Looking at the product from the packaging, the shade Ina is moving from the packaging, but the shade Emmy, it's not moving at all. So I feel like it's this is a thicker formula. Oh, there you go. It just went down only now. The shade Emmy has a thicker formula than the shade Ina, but I think these are two different colors. I already forgot. I'm gonna swatch the shade Ina first. By the way, ignore these. These are the first lip tint brands that I reviewed. So this is the shade Ina. It's like an orangey red shade. I love lip tints like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. This smells exactly like the Skin Genie Lip and Cheek Stain Alive. A lot of like local lip tints have that, like, how do you call that, like Kool-Aid juice. They have the same scent. Oh wow. It's actually a really beautiful shade, and I love that it also sticked on my upper lip, and that is my main problem with other lip tints, is if they don't stick on my upper lip. But this one looks even and it doesn't look patchy at all. I'm really loving this shade. So yeah, this is the shade Ina. It's a very beautiful orangey red. It's definitely something I would always reach for. So yeah, this is Ina. I love that this lip tint doesn't make my lips feel dry. Some lip tints tend to burn my lips. I don't know why. Like, if you're gonna check the ingredients, it doesn't have alcohol, but it feels like it has. This one doesn't have anything that feels irritating for my lips. It's very comfortable. This one has a watery texture. I'm not sure the other shades, since this is a little bit thick. Also very hard to remove, and even if you wipe it, you're still gonna be left with this really nice tint. See, I'm trying to remove everything from my lips, and I still have this really beautiful tint on my lips. It looks super cute. I love the shade. I don't know if it's just me, but usually I see the beauty of lip tints once they fade. Like, after you blot them with tissue, I think that is the most beautiful a lip tint could ever look like once it fades. Of course, we all appreciate a very pigmented lip tint, but I really appreciate the beauty of lip tints once they fade like this. I think that is the best look for if you want like everyday lip color. So yeah. So now we're going to move on to the next shade, which is Emmy with 2M. I suddenly remember my mom because her name's Emmy, but this one has 2M. My mom has only 1M. By the way, their Instagram is the Premium Stain, and it says here all natural ingredients, which is great, and has 30 fluid ounces inside. And I remember the issue that I had with this was the roller ball. Since the product is too thick, you have to like shake it upside down so that the product will stick to the ball and you can get the product out. But this is just a dark pink shade here. I forgot that I got this shade, but I don't really go for shades like this. Did a review on this Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water, and this took off my my liquid lipstick, and I absolutely love this micellar water, guys. Let's see if it's gonna take it off. Yeah, that's actually taking off the lip tint. Yeah, that's actually taking off the lip tint. Thank God, because I tried the one from Garnier, this one, and it's not really taking it off completely. This is the shade Ina, and this is the shade Emmy. They're two completely different colors. I think I like the shade Ina more. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch the shade Emmy. Hmm. Yeah, this tastes nice. It tastes a little bit sweet. This is like a berry shade. Not my favorite shade. I don't know if I'm just not super adventurous with lipsticks, but for the longest time, I haven't been a fan of any pink lipsticks on me. But when it comes to lip stains, it's more subtle and it's more thin on the lips. So I'm not really hating this. I actually like it. I'm not super crazy for this color. I just feel like wearing a pink lipstick. This is not a crazy pink. This is definitely something I can wear. It's like a My Lips but better shade. This lip color just makes you look like as if you've been eating strawberries every day for a whole month. It just makes your lips look really nice and healthy, so I still like it. So yeah, that is the shade Emmy. So yeah, those are the two shades that I have from the Premium Stains. I think they're very beautiful lip stains. Haven't tested them out on my cheeks yet, but since it has a gel consistency, I think it's going to blend well on your cheeks. It's like a basic lip tint. There's really no wow factor about this, but I like the fact that it doesn't taste bitter. It's not super messy, and it has a really nice stain that looks really even on my lips. Like I said, a lot of lip stains don't stick on my upper lip, but this looks even. So I think this is one of the best. If you're looking for, you know, an affordable lip tint, you're definitely going to love this. The Premium Stain is not the most popular brand when it comes to lip stains, but you guys should check out their other products because they actually have nice products. I really do recommend these lip stains, and I think they're good for the price. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of these lip tints. If you guys have any video requests you have in mind, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I read all of your guys' comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time.